Hello everyone, welcome to my channel MedTuber. Today we'll discuss the national health programs and their logos. Now let's start. This is the logo of PMSMA. It is Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Mantritva Abhiyan. It emphasizes on free ANC checkups for pregnant females on every 9th of every month. This is a MA campaign. MA is Mother's Absolute Affection. It emphasizes to promote exclusive breastfeeding for at least 6 months. These are rotavirus oral vaccines. The upper one is Rotatec and lower one is a Rotarex. This is the logo of RKSK, that is Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya Karyakram. It emphasizes on the development of adolescent male and females of age 11 to 19 years. It is launched as a peer-to-peer approach known as Satya approach. It conducts clinics, counseling, care and community. Next we'll see Anmol. Anmol is ANM Online. This is the logo of it. It is introduced to promote telemedicine in India. This is Kilkari. Kilkari is a mobile application for growth and development of children and helps in understanding milestones of children. This is Antara. This is injectable given for females for contraception who are contraindicated for taking oral contraceptive pills or intrauterine contraceptive devices. This is an injectable form of medroxyprogesterone 150 milligrams which is given intramuscularly every third monthly. These are different contraceptive pills introduced under National Rural Health Program. The first one is a Mala N. This is the easy pill which contains levonorgestrel, and this down 2 or Chaya pills which contains encromin as its composition. Asha is a new brand name of these pills. This is Azure. This is a permanent sterilization technique. It is introduced into the fallopian tube. After 6 months, we do hysterosalpingography to check for the tubal patency. It is made up of titanium stainless steel. This is the logo of National Family Planning Program. It has a target total fertility rate of 2.1 and the net reproductive rate of 1. This is the logo of National Health Portal. HMIS is Health Management and Information System. This is the logo of Digital India campaign. This is the logo of Civil Registration System. It registers both births and deaths in India. This is the campaign of Accessible India. This is the logo of Ayushman Bharat Yojana. This is the logo of Employee State Insurance Corporation, which was introduced under ESI Act 1948. This is the logo of Rashtriya Vayashree Yojana, which provides assisted living devices for senior citizens. This is the logo of IDSP. It is Integrated Disease Surveillance Program. This is the logo of Ayushman Bharat Yojana. This is the logo of National AIDS Control Organization with a red band in the middle. This is a red ribbon logo for HIV/AIDS. This is the logo of DOTS with the tagline of Pura Course Pakka Ilaj. DOTS is Directly Observed Treatment Short Course. Under RNTCP. This is a logo to eradicate TB. It shows a arrow and a vertical bar. It shows a unite to end TB. This is a logo of Mission Indradhanush. with the tagline of "Be wise, get your child fully immunized," with a child holding a syringe. This is a logo of INAP, that is Indian Newborn Action Plan. This is a logo of National Tobacco Control Program. This is a logo of Unique Identification Authority of India, that is Aadhaar. That is a logo of NPCDCS, that is National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Disease and Stroke. This is the logo of RSBY, that is Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana. This is a logo of Save the Girl Child. This is a logo of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Nikshay, this is a logo of Nikshay. Nikshay is online software for tracking TB patients. This is a logo of Midday Meal Scheme. This is the logo of International Red Cross. This is a logo of Biohazard. The left is the logo of Biohazard and the right is a logo of Cytotoxic Hazard symbol. This is the logo of Radiation Hazard. This is a logo. This is Lippis loop. This is vaginal sponge. These are combined pills. This is a logo of FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization. This is a logo of UNFPA, that is United Nations Fund for Population Activities. This is a logo of WHO. This is a logo of World Bank. This is the logo of Suraksha Clinic. They are introduced to keep a check on reproductive tract infections and sexually transmitted diseases. This is the logo of NPCB and VI, that is National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment. Previously it was NPCB. VI is added recently. This is a logo of Bureau of Indian Standards. This is the logo of NLEP, that is National Leprosy Eradication Program. That is the logo of Anmol. Anmol is A&M Online. This is the logo of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, MedTuber. Thank you.